My name is Melvin Martin. I've been working for Terex for 18 years now. I came here when I left school as an apprentice and I've been here ever since. I've been a team leader for the last 3 years and I'm now trained to be a supervisor. I work with a great bunch of lads. It's close to home. No 2 days is the same and I love the challenge.
How's it going? I'm Ricky Logue. I've been working in Terex over 12 years. I'm in a role where I'm a lead op. I control 2 different teams, collections, conveyors and tipping grids. Terex has been a fantastic place to work over the years. I've developed new skills, brilliant place to learn, great crack with the team members. And looking forward to seeing you working with us in Terex Ballymoney. Cheers.
I'm Andrew McCrory and I've been with Terex 3 years now. Came out of school and started an apprenticeship, recently just finished it. And that was a MVQ level 3 in fabrication and welding, and currently still learning fabrication, but confident in the welding.
My name is Ronald Lamont. I started at Terex 6 months ago. I had very little welding experience, but I went through the academy and they showed me the ropes, and I then bodied up with experienced team members, and they've now got me welding 883 conveyors, and I can say that I'm very confident with all the parts that I'm doing now.
Hi, I'm Nick McNeil. I'm the fabrication manager here at Terex Ballymoney. We have currently 100 welders on site. These range from trainee welders right up to experienced fabricators. We have our in-house weld academy, which gives members of the public a chance to learn new skills as welders with no experience needed. In recent times, we've increased our footprint here in fabrication. This has given the team members a chance to upskill and progress their careers. Such roles are lead op, team lead, and trainee supervisor. If you are highly motivated and want to become part of a great team here, please come and join us. I'm proud to work for Terex Ballymoney and look forward to hearing from you.